Hello YouTube, I picked up this server power supply from a local scrapyard. It is an Acbel ppd5002-6, 12 volt 30 amps, 5 volts 28 amps. It is a powerful server power supply, very reliable. You can use it for home project, turn into a battery charger, whatever you like. Now the trick is you have to trick this bad boy believing that he's plugged into a server, otherwise he won't turn on. Now first thing first, what you need to do, because I got this from a scrapyard, I want to check if internal components look okay. Now if you're not too sure how to work with 240 volts power supply, do not do this because 240 volts can kill you. Now these two massive capacitors, even though you disconnect the power, they can store a charge and give a nasty punch. Now check for obvious signs, any leakage in capacitors, any smoked areas, burnt out board. Especially check the fuse, because this one had a blown fuse. I replaced it with the same amperage fuse in this black box. Now once you get that sorted, you can go ahead and try and hook things up. As you can see, when I turn the power on, yep, the light comes on, fan's working, the power supply is good to go. I'm only using 12 volt one channel. Not too sure how many amps you can get that from there, but I believe 5 pins. You can run them in parallel so you can get that desired 30 amps. Let's go ahead and have a look at some diagram. It had 32 pins, as you can see from here. 32 pins, and if you haven't got the right input or output, this will not turn on. Okay, just to get this started, all you got to do is connect A4 with B4, which is ground, and the unit will turn on, but it will go on fault mode because it is not detecting the right combination. Let's have a look at that. Yep, power supply turns on, no fan sound, and it's off. Okay, so get these two connected, and this is the enable pin. Once you power it on, you need to ground enable pin to ground. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. That's the one. Sorry for my camera angle. I'm trying to hold the camera in one hand and get it going. Now the server powers up. Oh, maybe I got the wrong pin in. Yes, I do. It has to be the correct pin. Okay, here we go. It turns on, the light stays on, but the fan is not coming on. In order for you to activate the fan, you got to connect A1, pin A1 to your positive rail. That's that one. So I've connected banana clamp that comes through here, back in. I'm going to connect that. As you can connect, when I connect it, you'll hear the fan spin. Okay, now the fan is on. Okay, this is just to get it started and get it going, but if you want to adjust the voltage or play around with the fan speed, you can do so. All you got to do is connect a variable resistor or a fixed resistor to speed the fan up and down. Okay, I've got a ceramic resistor here, and you will hear the fan speed go up and down, up, down, up, down. And also you can adjust the voltage by grounding one of these pins. I think this one will give you, if you ground it to a resistor, use a 100 ohm resistor, it will give you close to 14 volts, and if you ground that, it will give you close to 11 volts. But if you don't do anything, it will give you roughly 12 volts in average. Now that's all about it, about this power supply in a nutshell. If you have any questions, or feel free to post a comment, and if you have other supplies that you're having problem with, send me a message. I'll see if I can help you. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.